part 2 of exhaust leaks are not your friend, but ETS is. So they ended up sending us new header and up pipe, and I was super excited because the quality of these is just gorgeous. Like, I am obsessed. We will do a video later on why we chose these and the benefits of them, but for now, would you just look at that? Like, just look at it. Just look at it. Yeah, don't look at that the up pipe isn't connected yet, because that's what we will spend the next couple hours doing. Yeah, if you've ever done this job, you know it's not fun, and it takes a while and a lot of aligning. So luckily I have Chris there to help me. Otherwise, this would have been such a pain to do this by myself. We were super excited to get it aligned and installed until we found the next problem. So we did another smoke test to confirm everything is good, but now we see the downpipe is the problem. So we reached back out to ETS, and stay tuned for part 3 where we show you the finale.